Hi Jay, my name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. We spoke yesterday. I came across your company while doing research on plumbers in your area. My goal for today is to provide some tips for increasing your online presence, your ranking online, and increasing your customers. So today we'll be talking about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So the first would be content. So content is anything that can be found on your website. So this could be words, any pictures you're using, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and videos. Now, in order to rank on Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Again, that could be pictures, videos, images. So that would be very important to have enough content, and then that way you can include keywords. Now, keywords are the words that are typed into a search engine to find a certain service or a certain type of company. So then that's going to be important to increase the number of people finding your website as well and increase your ranking. The next is going to be citations. Now, citations is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found. Now, this could be on a local directory, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Better, I apologize, Google, Facebook, Yellow Pages. Those are just some examples of where you might have your business information listed. Now, the more citations that you have, the better it is for someone to find your company. Now, what I can do is we look at your competitors to see how many citations that they have, and then the goal is just to have more citations than they do. That would increase your ranking. Now, this is what I found when looking at plumbers in Oakland. So the first thing I find here is going to be the paid per click. So these companies are paying to be listed here. The second is going to be the map pack. Now, it is very important to be listed in this area. Generally, when people type in for a certain service or a certain type of company, they will go directly from this map pack to the website or call that company. The next would be the organic search. So first we see here Yelp is in the first two places. The first company that actually is ranking first is Albert Naaman Plumbing. So this would be your number one competitor. Now, I was going through, there's 17 pages in the rankings, and unfortunately, I was not able to find your website. So I don't see that your website is ranking at that time. So the goal would be to have you ranked here on the first page so that more people can go to your website and increase your business. Now, I did want to just show you the Albert Naaman Plumbing website. And I'm seeing here that they do have quite a bit of content throughout. Okay, and our next tool is going to be, it's called Ahrefs. It shows us how your website is doing. These numbers are not 100% exact, but it still does give us an idea. So the first that I see here is that you have 93 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that come from a website that leads back to your website. Now, not all backlinks are equal. So a backlink coming from, for example, a clothing store, and coming from a plumber, another hardware store, for example, would bring in a different amount of traffic. So our goal is to have some good quality backlinks. One thing that we can do is take a look at your competitors' backlinks and build those same backlinks for you. That way it increases your traffic to your web page. Showing that you're utilizing 6 keywords, bringing in about 2 people to your website per month. It's not showing how much revenue is being generated. Now, let me take a look at the keywords. So your business name, and then plumbers in Oakland, TNT Plumbing, Oakland, California, plumber, sewer lateral replacement, Oakland. So this is how people are finding the website, or what they're typing in, or what you're utilizing. Now, the next is going to be how Albert Naaman Plumbing is doing. So they have 1,800 backlinks, 1,600 organic keywords, 792 people are going to their website per month and generating over $13,000 in revenue. Let's take a look at their keywords. So this is what people are typing in: garbage disposal repair, their company name, plumbers in Oakland, tankless water heater maintenance, who to call to fix garbage disposal, residential plumbers near me, water boiler repairs, peace of mind plumbing. So these are just some of the examples of what people are typing in, what keywords they're currently using. So I hope that you have enjoyed some of the tips that I have provided. You're more than welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like a more in-depth conversation and how I can help, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. I would like to have some feedback though on the tips I provided, and I do appreciate your time and watching my video, and you have a good day.